Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone, and this is George's equipment from Maryland. And so basically he's got a note with this telephone. This is the initial checkout. He's installed a line cord, so that's new to the telephone. And he's writing in the note about some other issues that the telephone just doesn't work properly. And he followed what he's talking about is a color code or a schematic basically, and that was how the telephone should have been wired, and it's not working properly, so then he sent it in. Now we also want to show our pickup here. This is an amplified pickup so that we can hear the audio from the receive when we're troubleshooting telephones and checking them out. And it's a piece of test equipment basically that we use in our troubleshooting process. So basically what we want to do here is kind of show you the telephone. We're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. It did seize the analyzer, and it does have dial tone. But we're going to try to dial a number. So watch the analyzer when we try to dial a number. It reverts back to the dial tone, and so it's not dialing out properly. We do have receive, but another issue I want to show you is if we try to transmit or tap on the handset, we should be getting a transmit light here, and we're not getting that. I want to transmit 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 hello hello. We're not getting any transmit power either. So we have a situation there. I want to show you the F1 that's in this handset, the transmitter. It has been cleaned. So either someone cleaned it or recognized that there was a problem with no transmit and cleaned the F1 transmitter here. So we'll go ahead and put that back into the unit. And we'll hang up. We also want to go through the rotary. That needs to be oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. It's just a little sluggish, but we want to go through it while it's in the shop anyway, and we want to make sure everything is proper with it. We're going to go ahead and turn the amplifier off. We're going to unplug the unit. And we have the cover loose, so I want to show you this telephone. It's in very good condition for its age. Give you a look at the back of it here. Very nice example of a 202. And I want to give you a look at the inside if you've never seen the inside of a 202. And even if you have, it's the inside of this 202. We have our plate here that we want to show you. That's in very good condition also. So what we want to do, I can set that to the side because we need to troubleshoot and work on the telephone anyway. So it's a very nice example of a 202 in very good condition. We also want to get a dial center card and ring for this telephone. We're going to go something to the period of the telephone for the card, and we'll get our ring on there also. So we're going to go ahead and take a short break from the video. We want to go ahead and start troubleshooting and repairing this telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and went through the transmit, the receive, we went through the rotary. That was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted. We also rewired this telephone the way we wanted it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also installed some spade connectors on the line cord that was installed because there was none. And we're going to show you some still pictures of that. So we also installed our dial center card and ring. We want to go ahead and start our final checks. And we're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, we're going to walk through our numbers and you'll watch the numbers roll by on the analyzer. I'm going to end in a 2. We want to hang up since that was one of the issues. We'll give you a dial tone. We'll dial a 2. Hang up. Give you a dial tone. We'll do that one more time. Dial tone. We want to dial a 2 to make dial tone go away. Now what we want to do is transmit into the handset. If you watch this red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone has transmit, receive, it's dialing out, the hook switch works. What we can do now is we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Partly cloudy with snow today, highs around 40, mostly clear this evening, lows in the mid-20s. Mostly sunny Friday, highs in the mid-40s.
Okay, we can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone and we'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll hang up. We'll call one other number. We don't need anything from there, but we want to dial it out because that was one of the issues when this telephone came in. So we'll go ahead and call that number.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
Well, we don't need anything from there, so we're not going to bother them. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to George and he can enjoy his telephone again. It's a very cool Western Electric 202 in very good condition. It's a prime example of a rotary telephone from the past, and it's going to look great no matter where it's installed or where he uses it. It's just a cool telephone all the way around. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.